ChatGPT is a language model that responds to prompts, questions, queries, and commands in a human-like manner. While it cannot directly assist you in creating YouTube Shorts, this could motivate you to come up with content ideas. Ideas generation. ChatGPT can aid in the idea generation process for your YouTube Shorts. You can ask it for recommendations on various subjects, popular themes, or content kinds that are suitable for Shorts. You could inquire about topics like, "Can you give me some ideas for YouTube Shorts?" Or, "What are some popular sorts of YouTube Shorts?" The following are the steps you can take to use ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube Shorts. 1. Consider your subject, niche, or topic. Begin by considering the niche or topic of your video. This will assist you in developing specific prompts and questions that are relevant to your content. 2. Create questions and prompts. Create questions and prompts about your topic using ChatGPT. Here's how to get prompts and questions using ChatGPT. Decide who your audience is. Consider your target audience and the sorts of materials they would find interesting. Choose a subject. Choose a broad subject that you believe will attract your audience. Enter your topic or a relevant query into ChatGPT to have it produce pertinent prompts and questions about it. You could use prompts like top 10 ideas, how it got or do, pros and cons of something, or things you should know about topic. Adjust the questions and prompts by selecting the ones that correspond with the interests and search tendencies of your audience. For your YouTube video names, follow the prompts. Create catchy and engaging YouTube video titles using the prompts produced by ChatGPT to entice viewers to click and view your videos. Offering content creation advice. ChatGPT can offer advice on how to make visually appealing and interesting content for YouTube Shorts. You may ask it for advice on lighting, composition, or video editing. You could also request suggestions on how to lengthen your shorts or increase audience involvement. Employ an internet tool. To produce suggestions and questions pertinent to your topic, try websites such as Speak to Transformer or Hugging Face. Utilize Python. The GPT-2 API supplied by OpenAI can be used to generate prompts and questions if you are a Python programmer. 3. Make use of the generated questions and prompts. Start by writing your script using the questions and suggestions you came up with. You can use them as the heading, hook, or framework of your video. Examine the generated content and select the phrases or concepts that fit your video's subject and preferred format. Edit and revise. Once you have a finished script, edit and revise it to make sure that everything is covered and that the script flows smoothly. Practice reading the script out loud to ensure that it sounds natural and understandable. 4. Use ChatGPT to create an outline. ChatGPT can be used to create an outline for your video script. Provide a brief synopsis of your video's subject or a pertinent query, and ChatGPT will offer some talking points or topics. You might also request that ChatGPT give you a succinct overview of the key elements you ought to mention in your video. Make a list of the precise topics you want to discuss in your YouTube video. Make an overview of the key subjects you wish to include in your video. List the terms connected to each topic. Following the creation of your topic list, utilize ChatGPT to produce related keywords for each of the themes. When you enter your topic into ChatGPT, it will offer you a number of related keywords to help you flesh out the specifics of each point in your outline. Fill in the outline using ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to produce text based on those keywords. Once you have a list of keywords associated with each section of your outline, the generated text can be used to elaborate on your points and give extra information. 5. Fill in your outline by. Expand upon the concepts ChatGPT has suggested. Create a logical order for the ideas that make sense for your film. You might also utilize ChatGPT's recommendations as a starting point and then add your own original viewpoint and thoughts. 6. Create your YouTube videos. After you have your script ready, you can start creating your YouTube videos. Use any other multimedia that complements your script, whether it be your own self-shot videos, stock footage, or animations. 7. Use music plus sound effects. To improve the watching experience for your viewers, you can utilize music and sound effects that are available without a license from websites like YouTube Audio Library or Premium Beat. You can find copyright-free music using Chact. Here's the steps to find copyright-free music for YouTube Shorts using Chact. Step 1. To begin, make a list of keywords associated with the sound style you intend to use in your YouTube video. This can include phrases like free sound effects, public domain sounds, and royalty-free music. Step 2. Enter your search terms into ChatGPT and request a list of websites that provide copyright-free sounds. Can you recommend any websites that provide royalty-free music for YouTube videos, for instance? Step 3. After ChatGPT gives you a list of websites, look over each one and choose the ones that have the sound you want to hear. Visit the websites and listen to the sound samples they provide. Step 4. Select a sound that complements the context and design of your video. Download the file to your computer and save it there. Step 5. Verify the sound's licensing conditions and attribution specifications. The majority of copyright-free sounds demand attribution, so be sure to abide by the license's requirement. 9. Add B-roll footage. To make your video more interesting, you can easily find the B-roll using ChatGPT. Add B-roll footage, which is additional footage that complements the content in your script produced by ChatGPT. The terms a roll and B-roll were dubbed back in the early days of Hollywood films. B-roll, B-reel, or roll footage is essentially any video footage, in addition to primary footage, also known as your roll, which usually features the subject. Anytime you're watching a film, documentary, or even a video ad, the footage that isn't a talking head, that's B-roll. For example, a flashback to the past or a cut to a mouth-watering cheesy slice of pie in a pizza ad. Don't forget the news. It heavily utilizes B-roll to help give context to what's being reported on. 10. Edit and publish your YouTube video after making necessary changes. Once you have all of your content ready, you can edit and publish your YouTube video. You can edit your video before uploading it to YouTube using any video editing program, such as a movie, Final Cut Pro, or Adobe Premiere Pro. ChatGPT can help you come up with concepts and offer guidance for making interesting and compelling YouTube shorts. Make every second count, because YouTube shorts should be between 15-second or 1 minute in length and optimized for mobile devices. Always keep in mind that the key to a great YouTube short is to make it interesting, clear, and educational. Take advantage of ChatGPT to your advantage by creating prompts and questions relevant to your niche. However, never rely solely on the generated content. Always inject some of your own imagination into your videos. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.